What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where I have an example of what the MC20 supercar could actually look like, because there are going to be these specific cars built. Yes, I am talking about this Aria kit. All right, this is an Aria Areo kit that is going to be built for the Maserati MC20 supercar coming out next year, and it will be only 25 of these that you'll see on the road. Now, why did I title this, what the Maserati should look like, or the real Maserati MC20, etc., etc.? Well, look at the MC12 and look at the MC20 and look at the Aria Areo. All right, now you look at them and you talk about that video that I made a couple of weeks back with designer Frank Stevenson, the original creator of the MC12, and his criticisms of the MC20. Now, let's not get it twisted. The MC20 is a crazy supercar from Maserati. It is groundbreaking. It is just something that is going to take the brand to another level. But when comparing it to the MC12, we had a couple of, I guess, discrepancies. One, the MC12, only 50 were built, and it's one of the best and most rarest supercars ever made. We know that, all right? But with the MC20, it's going to be more of a mass production car, all right? So it's going to be a little bit less hardcore, so you don't put all your marbles in one basket for a mass production car. So with that said, Frank Stevenson had his criticisms, and what he had said about the Maserati MC20 is that the design lacked the emotional aspect and the standout elements that left an impression, and it was a little too generic and needed a little salt, pepper, and some spices. So with that said, I came across this design by Seam Pattern, and what it is a carbon fiber kit that really invigorates the racing spirit of the MC20 that was hiding from the factory. So it's pure and powerful lines that were inspired by the most track-focused vehicles to bring the racing DNA to the MC20. And obviously there's a lot of MC12 design inspired elements in this thing. Now with that said, Seam Pattern is actually going to be designing 25 of these kits. That means you can buy this for your MC20. And I'm not sponsored by this guy. I just saw this thing and I thought, wow, one day we're going to see one of these in person. Someone's going to see one of these in person. It's going to end up on the internet and we're going to wonder, what the heck is that? And now we know it's going to be a radical design of the MC20. And it really is going to have those MC12 vibes that people felt like the MC20 may should have come straight from the Maserati factory with. So with that said, I'm excited about this just because I saw it and I thought, oh yeah, it's a cool rendering. I'll show it off. But then I realized that this is actually going to be built. I mean, he has a website for it. If you search Aria Areo kit, it's probably going to show up if you put in MC20 and everything. And that is going to be incredible. Wow. So with that said, anybody who's ordered an MC20, let's get one of these on order so we can see this in the flesh, so somebody can get some good pictures and video of this thing. Hey, bring it to America. I would love to see it too. And yeah, this is going to be insane. What do you guys think though? I'm obviously over the moon, but what do you guys think about Seam Pattern's design for the Aria Areo kit that just really takes the MC20 supercar to the next level? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Aria Areo kit and this Maserati MC20 supercar. Now with that said, in case you guys want to help further support the channel, you can always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to throw a couple extra dollars to the channel, help support your boy. You can also check out the Patreon, be a monthly subscriber if you want to help support that way, or check out the Ron's Rise merch. You can get pillows, you can get coffee mugs, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides. You can also check me out on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. And with that said, click that subscribe button. But after you subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.